Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Budruk. I will discuss financial statements of not-for-profit organizations. Go to study note number 4, preparation of financial statements of not-for-profit organizations. I will be discussing illustrations. Illustration 14, income and expenditure account of Kolkata Clubbies. Income expenditure account is given, adjustments are given, and you are supposed to prepare receipt payment account. Subscription for 12 unpaid on 1113 200, 180 of which was received in 2013. Opening outstanding 200, out of that 180 they have received, that means 20 is still outstanding, which is to be shown as closing balance also. 200 minus 180 is 20 closing outstanding, 200 opening outstanding. Subscription received in advance, opening, closing, as well as subscription outstanding closing is given 70 plus 20 closing outstanding. 70 is current year's outstanding and 20 is last year's outstanding which still has not been received. Sundry assets at the beginning of the period 2600, sundry assets after depreciation 2700 at the end of the period. Cash balance on 1113 160, this is opening cash balance 160. Sundry assets 2600, opening. Depreciation as per income expenditure account is 300. If you deduct depreciation from this, net balance of sundry assets should have been 2300, but it is given that it is 2700. That means they have purchased assets worth 400, which is to be shown on the payment side. Opening outstanding subscription, closing outstanding subscription, opening received in advance, closing received in advance subscription, as well as subscription as per income expenditure account, you know. So prepare subscription account and find out subscription as per receipt payment account. This is subscription account, opening outstanding 200, closing outstanding current year's 70, last year's 20. Opening prepaid 50, closing prepaid 40. Subscription as per income expenditure account is 2000. Subscription which should go to receipt payment account is balancing figure 2100. To balance brought down 160. Opening cash in hand is given 160. Donations 1050. Income side donation 1050. Subscription, just now we have found out the subscription figure 2100. Now if you go to income expenditure account, salaries and general expenses, no adjustment, it will be as it is. Depreciation will not be shown on the payment side, surplus will not be shown on the payment side. Salaries, general expenses, sundry assets, I have shown you the working note. Balance carried down is balancing figure. Receipt payment account, debit side you are supposed to record receipts, credit side you are supposed to record payments. It starts with opening cash and bank balance, to balance brought down. It ends with closing cash and bank balance, by balance carried down. It records receipts on the debit side, whether they are of revenue nature or capital nature. It records payment on the credit side, whether they are of revenue nature or capital nature. Receipts and payments of current year as well as previous year as well as future years are recorded in receipt payment account. Preparation of receipt payment account. If you are supposed to prepare receipts and payment account from a given income and expenditure account and opening balance sheet, then each and every individual item both from income and expenditure account and balance sheet is to be considered. Page number 242, question number 2. Income and expenditure account of Jayashree Sangha Club for the year ended 31st December 12 is given below. This is income expenditure account. Following is the balance sheet of club as on 31st December 11. So this is opening balance sheet is given. Prepare receipt payment account for the year ended 31st December 12 taking into account the following adjustments. Income expenditure account is given, opening balance sheet is given, and you are supposed to prepare receipts and payments account. We'll see the adjustments. Subscription received in advance 1500. Closing received in advance. Salary due 1500 but not paid. Closing outstanding salary. 60% of admission fees to be capitalized. Subscription due for 12 but not received. Closing outstanding. This is closing outstanding subscription. This is closing received in advance subscription. This is closing outstanding salary, corresponding opening figures we will get in opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet, opening outstanding salary, opening subscription received in advance, opening subscription outstanding. Salary as per expenditure is given, subscription as per income is given, admission fees 12,000. These are 40% because 60% are capitalized. Now I will show you working notes. Subscription account, opening outstanding as per opening balance sheet, closing outstanding as per adjustment, opening received in advance as per opening balance sheet, closing received in advance as per adjustment, subscription as per income expenditure account is given. So subscription to be transferred to receipt payment account is balancing figure 53,000. Working note number 2, salary as per income expenditure account is given as 20,500 plus opening outstanding which is given in the opening balance sheet minus closing outstanding which is given in the adjustment. Therefore, salary as per receipt payment account is 21,000. For outstanding and prepaid adjustments, while preparing receipt payment account from income expenditure account, you are supposed to deduct closing outstanding and add opening outstanding, and for prepaid exactly opposite treatment is to be done, that is closing prepaid is to be added and opening prepaid is to be deducted when you have figures of income expenditure account and you are preparing receipt payment account. Working note number 3, admission fee 60% to be capitalized, 60% will go to liabilities, 40% will go to income expenditure account, entire amount is to be shown on receipt payment account. Admission fees as per income expenditure account is given 12,000 which is 40%. For 40% 12,000, for 100% it is 30,000 which will go to receipt payment account, and 60% of 30,000, 18,000 will be shown on the balance sheet liabilities side. Receipt payment account for the year ended 31st December 12 to balance brought down. Opening balance sheet you will get this cash at bank 10,000. Admission fee just now I have shown you 30,000. Sale of newspaper, donation, miscellaneous income, subscription also we have seen. Working note. See income side, subscription, sale of newspaper, admission fee, donation and miscellaneous income. Out of this, subscription and admission fee figures are different, all other figures are same. Payment side, salary, general expenses, audit fees, printing stationery, rent, traveling expenses, newspaper. If you see expenditure, only salary is changed. Expenditure, salary, I have shown you working note. Other figures are same, newspaper, audit fee, general expenses, printing stationery, traveling, rent. All figures will show on the payment side. Depreciation will not be come to the payment side. Surplus will not go to receipt payment account. Balance carried down, this is the balancing figure. Now balance sheet, closing balance sheet, sports equipment 20,000. Sports equipment 20,000 in the opening balance sheet. No adjustment is given, no sale, no purchase, no depreciation. So same figure is taken. Furniture 15,000 minus depreciation as per income expenditure account is 2,500. Furniture minus depreciation. Accrued subscription is given in the adjustment. Cash at bank just now we have found out. Closing cash by preparing receipt payment account. Accumulated fund. If you go to opening balance sheet, you will get accumulated fund 45,500. Add surplus from income expenditure account. Admission fees, I have shown you working note. Subscription received in advance closing and outstanding salaries closing. This is how closing balance sheet is to be prepared. Now go to question number 2, page number 247. Income expenditure account is given, additional information is given, and you are required to prepare receipt payment account for the year ended 31st March 14 and balance sheet as at 31st March 14. We'll first see adjustment. Subscription outstanding, opening, closing, received in advance, opening, closing, salaries outstanding, opening, closing, Audit fees outstanding, opening, closing. General expenses prepaid, only closing. Sports equipment opening and closing are given. Opening sports equipment minus depreciation should be equal to closing sports equipment. If it is not, then difference will be either purchase or sale of sports equipment. We'll see that. Other balances, freehold ground, bank loan and cash at bank. This is closing cash and bank because it is as on 31st March 14 and you are supposed to prepare receipt payment account as on 31st March 14, closing cash and bank 32,000. Freehold ground and bank loan, no information is given whether they have purchased the land during the year or loan has taken during the year. That means in the opening balance sheet also you are supposed to show these figures. I will first show you working notes. Subscription account, opening outstanding, closing outstanding, opening received in advance, closing received in advance, subscription as per income expenditure account, C 1,50,000. So this is balancing figure which will go to receipt payment account 143,400. Salary as per income expenditure account is given. Opening outstanding you are supposed to add, closing outstanding deduct and salary as per receipt payment account is 94,000. General expenses as per income expenditure account is 20,000. Deduct closing prepaid. General expenses as per receipt payment account is 21,200. Audit fees as per income expenditure account is given. Add opening outstanding, deduct closing outstanding, you will get audit fees as per receipt payment account. Opening sports equipment 52,000. This will be shown on the opening balance sheet assets. Deduct depreciation which is given in income expenditure account 6,000. So net sports equipment should have been 46,000 but they are showing closing balance is given 54,000. That means sports equipment purchased is 8,000 which is to be shown on the payment side. 54,000 will go to closing balance sheet assets side. Receipt payment account. See, if you see income expenditure account, expenditure side, salary, general expenses, audit fees. These three will change. Just now I have shown you working notes. Printing stationery, secretary honorarium, interest, bank charges will be same figures. Depreciation will not be recorded in receipt payment account on the payment side. Expenditure on sports meet 50,000, same figure you will get on the payment side. Surplus is not to be recorded. Now I will show you receipt payment account. Salaries, general expenses, audit fees, all these three figures will change. We have seen working note. Remaining figures will be same. Purchase of sports equipment is additional figure which I have shown you the working note. Balance carried down is given. Closing balance carried down is given to us. See here, cash and bank 32,000. Collection of annual sports meet, entrance fees. If you go to income expenditure account, entrance fees, collection of sports meet, subscription 1,50,000. Subscription will change. We have prepared subscription account. 27,800 is balancing figure, opening cash and bank balance, to balance brought down, which will go to opening balance sheet. Balance sheet, opening balance sheet, cash in hand 27,800. Just now I have told you receipt payment account, balancing figure, opening cash, freehold ground, equipment, outstanding subscription, bank loan, outstanding audit fees, outstanding salaries, subscription received in advance. All these are opening figures. Capital fund is balancing figure. Take the total of assets minus all liabilities will be capital fund which will be taken to the closing balance sheet in the inner column. Capital fund, add surplus as per income expenditure account. Cash in hand is given, freehold ground, equipment, outstanding subscription, prepaid general expenses. Then bank loan, outstanding salaries, outstanding audit fees and subscription received in advance. This is how you are supposed to prepare opening balance sheet. From that you will get opening capital fund, take it to closing balance sheet, add surplus from income expenditure account and get closing capital fund. Then your balance sheet will match. In this particular video we have seen illustration of preparation of receipt payment account, opening balance sheet as well as closing balance sheet. Thank you.